Hey there, YouTube fam. Looking for the best crash lawyers near you? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of crash lawyers, uncovering valuable insights that will help you make an informed decision. So, without further ado, let's get started. Picture this. You're driving down the road, minding your own business, when suddenly, bam, you find yourself in a car crash. It's a terrifying experience, and the aftermath can be even more daunting. That's when you need expert legal assistance by your side. But how do you find the perfect crash lawyer near you? Well, buckle up because I'm about to reveal some game-changing tips. Tip #1. Reputation is everything. When searching for crash lawyers near you, always check their reputation. Look for testimonials, online reviews, and success stories. A trustworthy lawyer with a solid track record will increase your chances of getting the compensation you deserve. Remember, a lawyer's reputation speaks volumes about their expertise. Tip #2. Specialization matters. Not all lawyers are created equal when it comes to crash cases. Not all lawyers are created equal when it comes to crash cases. These professionals have honed their skills and know all the ins and outs of crash claims. Choosing a specialized lawyer ensures you'll have someone who truly understands the complexities of your case. Tip #3. Personalized attention is key. Seek crash lawyers who value their clients and prioritize personalized attention. You deserve someone who listens to your concerns, answers your questions promptly, and keeps you updated throughout the legal process. With personalized attention, you can have peace of mind knowing that your case is in capable hands. Tip #4. Accessibility matters. When you're dealing with a crash and its aftermath, you'll want a lawyer who's within easy reach. Look for crash lawyers near you to ensure you have quick access to their office, reducing any hassle or delays. It's all about getting the help you need when you need it. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 4 tips for finding the best crash lawyers near you. Remember to consider reputation, specialization, personalized attention, and accessibility. So, the next time you find yourself in need of legal assistance after a crash, take these tips into account and make an informed decision. Stay safe and empowered, my friends. A visually captivating screen displaying links to subscribe, like, and share the video